Hi there, Ads here from Herman's RV Holidays, and just recently Zoe and myself took Herman to the Caravan, Camping and Motorhome Show 2019 at the NEC. We spent the weekend there, and normally when we go to these shows we take a look at the motorhomes. However, this time we decided to take a look at the camper vans. We wanted to find out why they were so popular and what was appealing about them. I know my way around a classic VW Type 2, you know, the bay windows or the split screen campers. And I just wanted to find out what the modern equivalent was like and find out why these campers are so popular.
In this video we'll be looking at Westfalia.
This is a Westfalia Kepler 60 on a VW. I must say it is an extremely smart camper. I do like the red and white, don't you? Having a quick look round the back, you can see that there's plenty of luggage space here. In fact, it also has a shower, external shower. Must be a bit weird showering outside, but anyway, no toilet, but this is the cassette. I wonder if that's where you'll put the cassette though, the toilet rather. We've got some storage space through there, and the seat obviously moves around so you can turn that into a bed. Of course, the red and white trim moves into the inside as well, so that's very nice leather interior. Very stylish. In fact, I would say that's really cool looking. Can't see a fridge here at the moment, it must be underneath there. It's got a hob and sink though. And a little bit of standing up room.
That's the sort of thing I need to know.
Yeah, but you could lift these up.
So it's called the Westfalia Kepler 60 as opposed to the other one which is called the Six. It's because Westfalia is having a 60-year anniversary, and this is the only model they make in these colours. So the colours and the leather and the interior is all to celebrate the 60th anniversary of Westfalia. Now this is the 60 and now this is the 6. The layout is the same, but of course it doesn't come in those colours. And it's essentially the same vehicle, but not so posh, not so plush, not so retro inside.
I've got the answer to that. The only advantage of Volkswagen, and it's a Westfalia conversion, they will hold their decision.
So here we have inside nice looking bucket seats there. We have the cabinets over there with the in fact I can step inside. Ooh.
Okay, that's the speeches. Cheers.
Hob and a sink. In fact, I've seen motorhomes with smaller sinks than that. What's under here? Cutlery drawer. And these can be
Big size cupboards, aren't they?
too short. Oh, that's the fridge, is it? Or oh, is that a washing machine?
So that bit comes down, and that's what.
Making a mess of the whole place. Of course, I can stand up. I forgot about it. Yeah, so he was saying that this comes down, and you can actually sleep two up here. Well, it's actually at this level.
And what does it say about the pull-out bit?
Let's take a look at the back. So it's the same as the other one. Now those seats at the back, they fold down. They fold forward rather. And then this is the double bed, another double bed, which you can sleep. So this will sleep 4 people. Can you believe that? And we have an internal shower as well. And that's where you put your toilet cassette. Or the toilet rather, not just the cassette. Oh, extra storage just there, look. Looks like the table. I wonder where the table was. I think that's just there. This is the Westfalia Kepler One. Oh yeah, so there's a lot more space there for seating.
He's got these little
Got
drawers.
these little drawers.
Oh look, there's the little lights as well.
So you can see that little vent just by your foot on there, so that would be around the floor area of the van.
Nice styling. I quite like the nice curvature. That's your sink and stove. And through there is our bathroom area, and we'll have a look at that in a moment. Again, leather seating. Oh, more storage underneath there, and through there. Not too sure where the fridge is though. So here we have the toilet and a shower unit. Apparently this is the only one you can actually, only VW conversion where you can stand up and have a shower.
And there's a modesty screen, isn't there?
Oh, that's right, there's a screen as well.
So how does this go on? So you've got, where's the curtains? You kind of go round it.
General toilet here. No. No, it's not quite like that. No. It's not quite like that.
Steps after a job. She can't get it right.
Listen, I'm too fat to hula hoop in that. Right, inside there you've got a custom-made shower curtain which threads on the bottom of this. It's ruched up, you know, like a neck curtain is on a track. That drops into your shower tray. Then your shower curtain bellows out and it's got heavy-duty fixes which go around the top inside. It's got a Velcro opening in the front that you step into here. So when that's in place in there, you're using your shower internally. It's at modesty height, which is about here. You can shower internally, straight out into your waste tank. There.
Right, okay. Straight into the waste tank, yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got your... Could I ask you just pull that little clip down for me there? I can't quite reach it. Can you? There, right. So you've got your loo here. So when you're use your loo, you've got a little modesty screen.
You like the screen? I do, yeah. That's a good idea, that is.
In front of
No,
that.
I like that.
And that drops down onto there, and that's your step to get up into the upstairs.
So this is the only one that's got the toilet, isn't it? These two.
Yes, this is the only VW conversion anywhere that you can live completely off-grid if you want to.
Wow.
And you can use it as your everyday vehicle.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
under 2 metres high. It's about the same length as the larger BMW estate car.
Yes.
Very nice. And this is the 60.
No,
That's the 60. This is still the 6.
No, that's the 6.
That's 6, and this
This
is
is the 1.
oh, this is the 1.
The 1.
The one.
The
The
1.
1.
The 1.
Only for the fact that
Bit
you
like
can...
an Xbox.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, okay.
Get on your nerves, give me a wee.
That's the handle. You fall flat when the door's shut.
Ah, yes. I just think it's hitting you in the face.
Great, okay.
You've got everything.
And this is the cassette.
That's cassette loo, yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you have a
So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. We normally vlog our travels around Britain and Europe in our motorhome. I'm going to leave some video cards for you to click on so you can go directly to some of the tours that we've done. In a few months' time we'll be doing the West Atlantic Way in Ireland, so if you don't want to miss that, please do subscribe and ring that notification bell. But before you go, don't forget to rate this video, give it a thumbs up or thumbs down if you like. If you feel that you have something to say about this video, or maybe you've actually got one of these campers, or you're intending to buy one of these campers in the near future, drop us a message in the comments section below. We'll be very interested in hearing from you. See you in the next video. Bye bye now.